Welcome to Vyte. We are going to see how to schedule a group meeting. You will first need to indicate the object of the meeting and the emails of the invitees. If the invitees are part of your existing contact, the tool will auto-complete their email for you. You will then be able to propose as many convenient dates as you like by selecting free time slot in the schedule of the participants. Vyte syncs calendars of Vyte users so that you are able to pick a date that will be convenient for everyone. But syncing calendars is not mandatory and you can invite anyone, even if they are not Vyte users. You can now add a place, whether it's an address for a meeting place, a phone, Skype, or any other communication tool. Invitees will receive an email on the address that you previously added and will be able to vote for their preferences. You can now confirm the meeting by selecting the most convenient date. We will notify every participant with the event confirmation.